In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Confluence. If you spend a lot of time working in Confluence, switching to dark mode can make a big difference. It's easier on your eyes, especially in low light, and it can help reduce fatigue during long work sessions. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through turning on dark mode using the built-in theme settings, so you don't need any plugins or extra tools. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence account in your web browser. Once you're on any Confluence page, move your attention to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Depending on your setup, this might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open a small drop-down menu with several personal options and settings related just to your account. From this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Theme, or anything similar that refers to appearance or display. This is where Confluence lets you choose how the interface looks for you. Click on the Theme option to open the Theme Settings panel. This usually appears as a small modal or sidebar, and it may show options like Light, Dark, or System Default, depending on your version and configuration. Once the theme settings are open, you'll see an option labeled Dark. This is the one that enables dark mode. Go ahead and click on Dark. As soon as you select it, Confluence should automatically update its appearance. The background will switch to darker shades, and the text and interface elements will adjust to remain readable against the darker theme. Take a moment to scroll around and make sure everything looks good to you. If you're working in a shared space or using Confluence all day, you might notice right away that the darker colors feel more comfortable, especially if you're in a dim room. If at any point you want to go back to the standard light mode or try a system-based option, you can repeat these same steps. Click your profile icon, open the theme menu, and choose a different theme. That's all you need to do to enable dark mode in Confluence. With just a couple of clicks, you can create a more